Ever wondered how to upload YouTube Shorts from your iPhone? In this guide, we will show you how to easily create and upload YouTube Shorts directly from your iPhone and share your short-form content with a wide audience on YouTube. YouTube Shorts allows creators to upload quick, vertical videos that are 60 seconds or less. While originally designed for mobile devices, uploading Shorts from your iPhone is straightforward. The process begins with recording your video, ensuring it fits within the 60-second limit and the 9:16 vertical format. To create your YouTube Short, you can use your iPhone's camera or a video editing app. Apps like iMovie, InShot, or Adobe Premiere Rush are great options to create and edit your video. Once your video is ready and meets the 60-second requirement in vertical format, you can upload it to YouTube. Open the YouTube app on your iPhone and make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store. Once logged in, tap the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. A menu will appear, and you can select Create a Short to begin uploading your video. If you have a pre-recorded video, tap the gallery icon at the bottom left to upload it from your phone's storage. From here, you can select the video you want to upload. If you want to record a new video, you can hold down the capture button to do so. Once your video is uploaded, you have the option to make basic edits, like trimming, adding music, text, or filters. You can also adjust the speed of the video and apply effects. After editing, tap Next to proceed to the next step. At this point, you will be prompted to add a title and description to your video. You can include hashtags to make your video more discoverable. YouTube automatically recognizes videos that are under 60 seconds and have a 9:16 aspect ratio as shorts, so there's no need to include hashtag shorts in the title. Next, you will choose your video's visibility settings: public, private, or unlisted. Select public if you want your video to be visible to everyone. You can also mark your video as made for kids if applicable. Once you're ready, tap Upload to publish your YouTube Short. After uploading, your video will appear on your channel's Shorts shelf, where it will be available for others to watch. You can also share the link on social media or directly with friends to gain more exposure. In conclusion, uploading YouTube Shorts from your iPhone is simple and can be done in just a few steps. By ensuring your video is under 60 seconds and formatted in 9:16, YouTube will automatically categorize it as a short, whether you're recording on your iPhone or uploading a pre-edited video. The process is easy, making it a great way to share quick, engaging content.